Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can hear the time on your Apple Watch SE. First, let's do this. I have this feature turned off. If I turn my watch face on and I put a couple fingers on it and we just hold it, what happens? Absolutely nothing. When we turn this feature on, it should tell us our time, and I'm going to show you how to do that. Like most settings on this watch, you can do this on the Apple Watch app on your cell phone. I'm going to show you how to do it in the watch. We need to go to our settings app. I've got my apps in list view. All I did was press the crown that takes you into your apps. You might be in grid view, but you need to find the settings app, and we're simply going to go into settings, and then under settings, we're going to look for clock. Or simply click on clock. If you go down not too far, one of the first options you're going to see is speak time. By default, it's turned off. You can simply toggle it to turn it on. You'll notice it says control with silent mode or always speak. If you've got it in silent mode, then it won't work. If you check this, even if you're in silent mode, this will still work. So I'm going to keep it on control with silent mode. You can set that to whatever you want. Now if I go back to my watch face, anytime my watch face is on,
3:33 p.m.
I can put two fingers on the watch face and it will verbally tell me what the time is. Anyway, that is how you control the Hear Time feature on your Apple Watch SE. I hope the video helped.